Hello again, Tom from everystepphysics.com, everystepcalculus.com. Don't forget calculus. This is a simple harmonic motion, so you're going to use that for the menu. Go to the menu in physics. I'm already at it to save time, but there's many items in here. You know, you can scroll down with the cloverleaf here and get to SHM, simple harmonic motion. I have to abbreviate that to keep on the TI-89 titanium screen. And I give you some information about it here, you know, xt or st. This one is, the function is giving it an x of t. So we're going to choose that x of t and enter the function. You have to press alpha before you enter anything into my entry lines. Alpha 5 times second cosine 2 times t plus second, get the pi divided by 6, close off the function with the right parentheses, and let's see if we've done it right here. Yep, looks pretty good. I'm going to say it's okay. What else is given? Well, it says centimeters. I'm going to put that in there. Time is given at 0. Yes. Alpha 0 seconds. And here's the general function, or the general expression for the position function. A times the cosine of omega times t plus phi, phi, which is a phase angle. And then you're supposed to pick out, you know, in a test it'll say, well, what is amplitude? Well, because of the function, original function, you know, 5 is the amplitude, 2 is the omega, and pi over 6 is the phi, phi, okay? So I gave that to you here, separate it from the function and put it in here. And omega is angular velocity or frequency, so 2 is equal to 2 pi over t. We're trying to find the period, so we use algebra. T equals period equals 2 pi divided by omega, and etc. is equal to 3.1416 seconds. The frequency is 1 over the period, so that's 0.31831 hertz. Velocity is the first derivative of the function, which is this right here, and at t equals 0, minus 5 centimeters per second. Acceleration is the second derivative, 20 over cosine 2 times t pi over 6. That's equal to minus 17 at t equals 0, 0.3 centimeters per second squared. And t is the position function, so we substitute t into the actual function and do the calculations. It turns out to be 4.33 centimeters. Is mass given? It's not given, but right here we're going to say it is, just to show you. You can put alpha 7, and let's put in, they give you 7 pounds, okay? number 3. Change that to kilograms. 7 pounds is equal to 3.18 kilograms. So then therefore mass is equal to that, you know. And we do the calculation, we can find the spring constant then by using algebra, and comes up with 12.78 Newton meters. Pretty neat, huh? everystepphysics.com, go to my site, buy my programs and pass physics. It's as simple as that. Physics is scored on the partial credit in the class curve. Whatever you can throw down on a test will help you get your grade or pass your test, you know. I got a 26 one time on a physics test, and I thought I flunked it, and I got an A in the so obviously the other class wasn't getting the test very well either. So anyways, good luck in your classes, and think about buying my programs, okay? Have a good one.